I can get easily be fucked with your assistant facilities, fathers, brothers, a lot of that. That is so nice card. Oh, massive things, yeah. Yeah, good guys, fucker is there. If I not get be fucked alone, how can we? We are Indian cult. We are from Indian born. We are great jewels of the seas, jewels of the seas, the Simon and that the demons, that good demons, mighty demons, mother church, बहन चौथ सोरेर बच्चा राक्षस devil demonic yes sir yes mother church chodrat yes Indian chodrat yes guy yes jewels of sea you are beast of sea Sudhir bachcha hey guy how get we fucked how we get be fucked? Hey guy, Awaken Secret. It is a great facility created by Moni Shankar. It is a Shankar Shankar. Sudhir Lal. It is Chudhir Lal. Pradeep and Pedut. Beardot. Chudhir Badate Yesho Bhankar Dada. Did Bendu Mama. Yes, man, that church. How beautiful. How beautiful. Yes, brother. Yes, brother, so great. Yeah, brother, yeah. How you can arrange, how get easily get be fuck. You have to get, we have to fuck your sister, brother, yes. We are Bengali as per Indian girl. Monish Bia, Monijit, Nunukata Ketua, Shemon, brother, yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah, how are you going to be fucked, yeah? Yes, Monish uncle, Otis uncle, Deep uncle, dead, Shub uncle, yes, uncle, Vision uncle, Manchand, Gurpreet, Gurichard, Grinjan uncle, Gakul uncle, Gudamarani, Gakulani, Kyaushiki, Keshani, Chodamarani, Rekhadi, Queen Mammy, Yachumani, Madhu Manka, Priyanka, Finger, yeah, mother, yeah. You are so lovely, so charming, jewels of sea, yeah, great. Yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah, great be fucked.
So we're going to test them out. We're going to get
Good luck. Yeah. Hey, Chudis, to go undersea to be fucked. And to disturb the whole aquatic life and the earth life. Hey, Chudis. Oh, good luck, Chudis. As far as Mamata Banerjee and Narendra Modi extending cooperation, solidarity and keeping this matter silent, separate, you can enjoy. Yes, guy, you gladly be fucked undersea. Yes, is a courtesy of Mamata Banerjee, yes, Shubhendu Chowdhury, Dev Chowdhury, Dev Dea, yes, God. Get the fuck where Rajnath Singh is there, Penu Mukherjee is there, yes, Mousami Rai Mukherjee is there, so yes, Jindal Bhaya Isha Guru is there, Ravi Shankar is there, Ravi Shankar Prasad is there, Ram Baba Chudugai, Ram Krishna Mission, monks or fuckers are there to give certificate as a great humanist and doing lot of think for climate change, reporting that you are undersea to report earliest that fuckers fucking the weather and climate, art, sea. So you are great guys, yes. I am unable to details record because they are not allowing me to Phuket area to get fuck Nightingale Bangla. जैसे बंगालीज के बांग्ला होता है ना, ये देखो चुद महारानी कहाँ हाथ लगा रहा है। ये सारे चुदी को देख के आपको बंगाली गाई, बंगाली कमरेड विधान चंद्र के चौधरी चुदीर बच्चा, ओह ग्रेट कॉल्ड विधान चंद्र बीमल चुदीर बच्चा, नलिनी सिंह, आतिश सिंह बड़ाई, प्रियंका चौध महारानी, यस हाउ ग्रेट, ओह मैं ये baby to get be fucked, yes, undersea. Your mother facilities, your father, grandfather facilities, madam. Your great facility. Yeah. ये उदित दा उदित चुंग दा चुदित चंग मधुर best uterine Jewish life. Best boy, Madhu Chopra, Chudi Chopra, Chodo Maharani, Edi Chamda Yoshi, my better bird, Jivam Dugal, Vision Kumar, P.K. Opal, mentioned the great scientist, Rajat Budra, Rudrapata, Borkia, Perijat Gudi, Chod Maharani, Depa Rani, Chod Maharani, Shikha Rani, Chodani, Chod Maharani, प्रियंका रानी चौध महारानी, मोमिका रानी स्वदेशनाथ चौध महारानी, अजित स्नेहा बाबू, समित कुंडू आराम बाग, yes चौध महारानी, yes baby, get the fuck your own father, own mother, maternal and sister, enjoy life, enjoy, yes baby, enjoy. Greta, you are performing very well as a propaganda doing in the name of climate change. You Sudesh, yeah, you enjoy. Yes, Sudesh, yeah, enjoy. Hey Manindra, hey Makul, hey Pamparani of Bajua Pamparani, Rogubati, Ratanpur, Gogan, Ramjeevanpur, Katarpur, Kotalpur, Beshapur, Makutganj, Ajit Sinha, Babu, Chudir Babu. Great better get. Great be fuck. Great be fuck. Great better, yes. Chodananda, Satchidananda, Chudir Bacha. Yes, all flags will be fucked. All countries' flag is be fucked by you as a Indian flagship. You can fuck all Miami, Florida, Donald Trump को भी fuck कर सकते हो because he is remain silent. Probably he is so मतलब stupid बन गया. He cannot pick up my throwing. He is not unable to understand these crimes who these babies to do. I to blame those things. You have not learned this thing. Now this Chudir Bacha Chodananda ke damad Sattananda Chodananda. He has changed a lot of my sentence word to word, changing this word, cutting this word, that mother chod I to complain about this, that vulgar lady, Greta Thunberg, criminal to propagate, mislead our concern to another way from these peoples who are the petty peoples who are worldwide having 6,000 seabird Massachusetts, that Niladri, Wild Woodland Woolly Research Institute, and this mother chodes and each and everybody who can learn these papers are the culprit criminals. I have authorized only this little honest girl, Miss Malini Duggal, and her grandfather is Jodu Duggal, who is also working on that contractor for the really good work to carry these papers of this they know but not to do crime. They are only help to learn this criminal crime activity of Satto Khan, Shoaib Art and Mojid Khan, that Monish Singharai, Utish Singharai, Dud Gobindo, Chud Gobindo, Suprabhat, Govindo Rajan, then is your Manojit Karmakar, Sudin Karmakar, that Priyali Majumdar, then is Kekoli, Kausheke, that Karim Chacha, Pramod Sudamarani, that Brevdut, Shivankar, Jere Gopalan, Gopika, there is your Sudavarari, Murli Dharan, Sudadharan, Savaran, Dinakaram, Dinarabnan, Murmila, Mekhon, Sudavarari, Dubgor, Jugal Dubgor, Salsa Akalsa, Durjoy Sudir Bajan, Turjodan, Bikasit Sudavarari, Wizard, Dava Pova Sudamarani. All are these people to kidnap them. Marini Digor, Bhamini, Damini, little guys, our own country babies, they have been kidnapped, they are not being relieved, and they are not also even to come, because the people who are Bangladeshi, Pakistani, anti-Indian, anti-social, they are gathered, they have developed mechanized system which have all that posted as an undersea sky to develop with new magnetic field, changing the gravitational field. What I have given details, they are hacked to my all facilities, television, digital cameras. I have mentioned this, have hacked my this Facebook pages where that all details I have mentioned. I have felt that the need of highest need of immediate informing of immediate. You have to say how can I change immediate. I am unable to change my despair. So if I am saving, so that even that you have to say I can change this my write-up. There are a lot of ways they are disturbing me. They are not allowing me my drawing this method. So you see they are creating engage, shine, hacking in different way. This Mother Chodananda Satto is a culprit criminal. They did not I to the mechanical witchcraft that I have mentioned, the newly developed scientific witchcraft technology handling gravitational wave, snatching inner humanity killing system, and haphazardly I am even talking, but this all are there about the simultaneous co-occurrence short-term to long-term location picture, weather and atmosphere changing, sometimes natural calamities including blending, bridge, dams, hillock collapsing with massive human discomfort, heart stroke, cerebral damaging, Parkinson's disease coined by this professional association of criminals, diverse instruction which are to create lot of miscreants and new magnetic field to create the scalar tension, so many theories to break, and those grieving the scalar of Einstein's theory, the new magnetic field to change the whole cosmos instability. So these peoples have that they misunderstand nature, applied the cosmological, astrological realms, that the simultaneous changing of global warming, global climate change, extreme weather conditions, human disappointment, human death causing, and all kinds of natural calamities of their activities they are doing. That woodland holy oceanography, misleading new lifeboat, and the dealing Salsa and Halsa, the Turjo Singh, Durjoy Singh, then Satto Kinkor, Pradeep, Dipankar, Sujoy, Bijoy, Ajoy, Prabhat, Surajit, Susabit, Sukamal, Sumantra, Alok Singh, Vikas Singh Rai, etc. Wherefrom I have to report, I have all given that I have mentioned. You can see to whom I have to blame. All this matter I have not and sold to mention in my Facebook pages and recording to all these activities. You are the vulgar ladies' voice and their talking time enjoyment related voice. You have listened in between my recording all this matter. You will be astonished learning all these people are Sudranis, Bengali, Indian born to tarnished Indian Aryan cults